No! It sounds stupid. Okay. I'm not again.
I'm not again.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm going to show you something very interesting today. Let me see, I think I have something in my pocket. Ta-da! Who can tell me, what are these? Yes, these are bananas. Do you like eating bananas? I love eating bananas. And today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy banana cake, also known as banana bread. So, are you ready to cook with me?
3 bananas, milk, 2 eggs, baking soda, butter, salt, flour, sugar, vinegar, vanilla essence, cinnamon. Big bowl, baking tray, measuring cup, fork, spatula, baking paper.
Okay, now we're all ready to begin. So we take our big bowl and our measuring cup. And we need some sugar. And we need to measure 1 1/4 cup of sugar.
You can add less sugar if you do not want it to be too sweet. So here's approximately 1 1/4 cup of sugar.
Then we need our butter. So you can see my butter is all liquidy because I put it in the microwave. So we add some butter.
If you don't have any butter, you can substitute it with some oil. Easy, everyone has oil. For the next step, we need some eggs. Yes. Can you help me to count? How many eggs do I have? 1, 2. 2 eggs. Great. And we need to put them into this bowl. Should we just drop them like this? No. Watch and learn.
Then we need half a cup. It will be until here. Half a cup of buttermilk. So what is buttermilk?
Buttermilk is sour milk. So when the milk's gone bad, it's almost same. So to make, my milk is fresh, so I need to make some buttermilk. So I add some fresh milk into my measuring cup. And I add some vinegar. You don't want to put too much because it will be too sour. So I add some vinegar. And I can use this fork to mix it. So my milk has got a little bit thicker. You can see it stays on the spoon. You see my spoon? Oh, my fork. Sorry. So my fork is covered in this white milk because the mix became thicker. Now we add it to our bowl.
We need our main ingredient, bananas. So it's better to have another plate. We have to peel the bananas, and I'm sure all of you can help your mommy and daddy to peel the bananas.
Okay, and we need our fork, which is covered in buttermilk. But I have some tissues here. And now the most exciting part is we need to mash these bananas. Can you help? Okay, so keep saying this. Okay, so we add these bananas to our bowl. Next step is optional, as this is vanilla essence. So if you have it, you can add it. If you don't have it, it's absolutely fine. Smells like heaven. Okay. Now it's a good time to mix all of our wet ingredients. So I have the spatula to mix it, but you can use a spoon or anything you want. It smells nice.
Next and very important step, we need some flour.
Take our measuring cup. We need 1½ cups of flour.
Next we need some baking soda, and you need a little spoon. Let me get 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We need this to make our cake nice and fluffy. It sounds weird, but we need a little bit of salt. I know the cake is sweet, but we do need some salt. Just a little bit. And the final step is also optional, but I really like this spice. It's called cinnamon.
So if you have it, if you like it, you can add some. If you don't, the cake will be delicious without it as well. Now we need to mix it again. This is how your banana bread mixture should look like. Does it look like a cake to you? No, it's because we need to bake it. To bake our cake, we need a baking tray. Mine looks like a rectangle. Yours can be different, can be a circle, can be a square. And we need some baking paper.
Next we take our cake mixture and pour it into our baking tray. It might be tempting to lick the spoon, but don't do it. I know it smells nice, but it has raw eggs, so if you do it, you might get very sick. Don't. You can smell it though. Now our cake is ready to go in the oven.
Banana cake or banana bread looks ready to me. To check and make sure it's ready inside, use some toothpicks and insert them deep inside our cake. If the toothpick come out clean, means it's ready.
Finally, our delicious banana bread is done. Smells amazing. And I think I have the first volunteer to try it. Nathan, do you want some cake? You can't have it though. But you can, so let me know if you like it. Bye!